Hi friends, today I am going to discuss statistics subject. In that measures of central tendency, median and mode. Okay, first of all see the median. Median shortcut MD or MED. Okay, median divides the data to equal parts. Okay friends. See for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this median 3. Okay. 50% below median and 50% above median. Okay. 3 is the middlemost value. Okay friends. Remember one thing, data must be ascending order or descending order. Okay friends. And see the next, median individual series, discrete series, continuous series. Okay. See, median individual series. If n is odd, okay, median is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2, the term, okay, n plus 1 divided by term. And see, if n is even, then median is equals to average n divided by 2, comma n divided by 2 plus 1, okay. And in discrete series, median is equals to n plus 1th divided by 2 term. Okay. In continuous series, median is equals to L plus n divided by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. Okay. And see here, L is lower limit. Okay. N is summation of F. Okay. And CF cumulative frequency of the preceding value, okay, and C length of the value, okay. And uses of the median, honesty, beauty, etc. Okay friends. And see the next, partition values are fractals. 5 types, okay. Partition means the set of observations divided into 2 equal parts, okay. And see the 5 types: quartiles, quantiles, octiles, deciles, percentiles or centiles. And these all are ascending order, okay. And see the first, quartiles. Quartiles 25%, okay. 4 equal parts, 3 quartiles, Q2 median, okay. And see the next one, quintiles. 20%, 5 equal parts, 4 quintiles, okay. And see the next one, octiles. 12.5%, okay. In this 8 equal parts, 7 octiles and O4 median, okay. And see the next one, deciles. This is 10%, that means 10 equal parts, 9 deciles, D5 median, okay. And see the next one, percentiles or centiles. And this is 1%, 100 equal parts, 99 centiles, P50 median, okay. Okay friends, now in this we are going to discuss individual series, discrete series, continuous series, okay. See the quartiles individual series. Q2 is equals to 2 into n plus 1th term divided by 4. Okay. And discrete series, n plus 1 divided by 4th term. And in continuous series, L plus 3 into n divided by 4 minus Cf divided by F into C. This is Q3 and this is Q1. Okay. If Q4, then here 4 into n divided by 4. Okay. And see, 1 tiles Qn1, n plus 1 divided by 5th term. Okay. And Qn2 is equals to 2 into n plus 1th term divided by 5. Okay. And here Qn3, then L plus 3 into n divided by 4 minus Cf divided by F into C. And see, in octiles, O2 is equals to 2 into n plus 1th divided by 8 term. O4 is equals to 4 into n plus 8 divided by 8th term. Okay. And O6 is equals to L plus 6 divided by 6 into n divided by 8 minus Cf divided by F into C. Okay. And see the next deciles, D5 is equals to 5 into n plus divided by 10th term. Okay. And in discrete series, D1 is equals to n plus 1 divided by 10th term. Okay. D2 is equals to L plus 2 into n divided by 8 minus Cf divided by F into C. Okay. And see the last one, percentiles or centiles. P50 is equals to 50 into n plus 1 divided by 100th term. Okay. And P2 is equals to 2 into n plus 1 divided by 100th term. Okay. And see, P is equals to L plus n divided by 100 minus Cf divided by F into C. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss relation between median and partition. Median is equals to Q2 is equals to O4 is equals to D5 is equals to P50. Okay. Properties of median. Properties of median. Summation x minus median is equals to minimum or least. Okay. Sum of the absolute deviation of the all observation from their median is always minimum or least. Okay. And now see the remarks in median. Open end series best method median and median calculated in graphical method. Ogilvy curve. Okay friends, now see the mode. Mode is denoted Z. Okay. It is not rigidly defined. Not rigidly defined. Okay. And see the types of mode. And see unimodal, bimodal, trimodal, multimodal. Okay. Now see the individual series, discrete series, continuous series. Okay. See individual series, highest frequency corresponding to x value. Okay. Individual series, highest repeated value. Discrete series, highest frequency corresponding to x value. And in continuous series, L plus delta divided by delta 1 plus delta 2 into C. Okay. Or L plus F minus F1 divided by 2F minus F1 minus F2 into C. Okay. And see here, L is equals to lower limit and F is equals to frequency of model clause. F1 is equals to preceding frequency of the model class and F2 is equals to succeeding frequency of the model class. Okay. And C is equals to length of the class. Okay. And see the properties. If mode is affected by change of the origin and scale, all observations same, then mode is also same. Okay. And see the remarks. Mode is not defined. Mode is not defined. Then we use mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean, or three mean minus 2 x bar. Okay. Mean minus mode is equals to 3 into mean minus median. Okay. Remember, these formulas will help you to solve the problems. Okay friends, in next class we will discuss further concepts. Okay friends, all the best. Do well, prepare well.